just got a new guy and he's getting me fly. I'm richer than my ex, had this card on decline. I just wanna buy all the finer things in life more, and I got that crazy, crazy mind. I'm ciphering all just by myself. What? I don't need another artist for some help. Nah, speaking Spanish and English as well. I'm Filipina if you couldn't fucking tell. Kakagising ko lang, kakagising ko lang, kakagising ko lang, kakagising ko lang. Kakagising ko lang mula sa pagkapikit. Di naman ako inject pero matay naniningkit. Ang lakas-lakas ng usok, dibdib ay naninikip. Napakasarap ng kuha ko, aba sobrang lagkit. I'm getting super fucking high. Di na ako makatayo kahit hindi naman pilay. Ang lahat ng gusto ko, kayang-kaya ko ibigay. Kung ako ang gusto mo, I like to see you fucking try. Baby, baby, would you die for me? Would you write for me? If you have a lot of secrets, would you hide from me? Would you lie to me? If you smile, it's real. I just bought a lot of papers, get high with me. Oh, kaya ibalot mo na yan ako. Marami pa ako dito, mga sampo. Kahit na pong maghapon, hindi to mapapagod. Kaya ipasa mo sa kanan o sa kaliwa. Malakas ang aking yamat, lahat nagagawa. 24 oras na ako ditong nakatulala. Iniisip ang sarili lang kung tinitingala. Saan ba tayo papunta? Bakit ka nagmamadali? O ba't masyadong mabilis? Baka ika'y magkamali. Kapag hindi mo to sinulit bukas